If you are looking for the best Ninja air fryer for your kitchen, this video will help you find the perfect one. Ninja has built a reputation for making powerful, reliable air fryers that make cooking faster, easier, and healthier. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. In this video, we will compare 5 of the most popular Ninja air fryers available right now. We will look at their features, capacity, versatility, and what makes each one stand out. By the end of the video, you will know exactly which Ninja air fryer is the best choice for your kitchen. Let's start with number 5. The 5th spot goes to the Ninja Crispy 4-in-1 Glass Air Fryer. This air fryer is one of the most unique designs Ninja has released. Instead of the traditional basket design, it uses glass cooking containers combined with a compact power pod. The system includes both a 6-cup container for smaller meals and a larger 4-quart container that can cook things like a whole chicken with vegetables. Because the containers are made of glass, they are designed for non-toxic cooking and can also be used for storage in the fridge or freezer. They are microwave safe and dishwasher safe as well, which makes cleanup very easy. This model offers 4 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, re-crisp, and max crisp. It can reach temperatures up to 450 degrees for powerful crisping performance. The main reason this model ranks at number 5 is its smaller cooking capacity compared to the other air fryers on this list. However, it is still a great option for individuals, couples, or anyone who wants a compact and portable air fryer. Coming in at number 4 is the Ninja 4-quart air fryer. This model is one of Ninja's most popular entry-level air fryers and is perfect for beginners. It features 4 cooking functions including air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. This gives you enough versatility to cook a wide variety of meals, from crispy fries and chicken wings to dehydrated fruit snacks. The 4-quart basket can hold around 2 pounds of fries, which is ideal for small families or quick meals. Another advantage is the wide temperature range, starting at 105 degrees for dehydration and going up to 400 degrees for crisping foods quickly. The basket and crisper plate are both dishwasher safe, making cleanup simple and convenient. While this air fryer is reliable and easy to use, it ranks at number 4 mainly because its capacity is smaller and it has fewer features compared to the higher-ranked models. At number 3 we have the Ninja Max XL 5.5-quart air fryer. This model is a big upgrade from the 4-quart version thanks to its larger capacity and stronger cooking power. The 5.5-quart basket can cook up to 3 pounds of wings or fries at once, making it much better suited for families or meal prep. It includes 5 cooking functions which are air fry, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. This gives you more cooking flexibility compared to the smaller models. With a powerful 1750-watt heating system, this air fryer cooks food quickly and evenly. The wide temperature range from 105 degrees to 400 degrees allows you to dehydrate fruits and vegetables or crisp foods perfectly. If you want a powerful air fryer that is still simple to use, the Max XL is an excellent choice. The 2nd spot goes to the Ninja Foodie Dual Zone 8-quart air fryer. This model stands out because it includes 2 completely separate cooking baskets. Each basket has its own heater and fan, which means you can cook 2 different foods at the same time using different settings. For example, you could cook chicken in one basket while making fries in the other. The dual zone technology also includes a smart finish feature that allows both foods to finish cooking at the same time, even if they have different cooking times. There is also a match cook button that copies the settings across both baskets, so you can cook larger batches more easily. With a total capacity of 8 quarts, this air fryer is perfect for families and for cooking full meals quickly. It includes 6 cooking functions including air fry, broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. For busy households that want convenience and flexibility, this dual basket design is incredibly useful. Taking the top spot is the Ninja Foodie 10-in-1 Smart XL Air Fry Oven. This model is much more than just an air fryer. It is a full countertop cooking system that can replace several kitchen appliances. It offers 10 cooking functions including air fry, bake, broil, toast, whole roast, pizza, dehydrate, and more. The true surround convection technology delivers up to 10 times the convection power of a traditional oven, helping food cook faster while still achieving crispy results. One of its standout features is the built-in smart cook system with an integrated thermometer. This allows you to monitor the internal temperature of your food and achieve perfect doneness without guessing. The capacity is also extremely impressive. It can cook 2 sheet pan meals at the same time, fit 2 12-inch pizzas, or even roast a large turkey. With its powerful 1800-watt heating system and massive cooking space, this air fryer oven is the most versatile option on the list. If you want the ultimate Ninja air fryer that can handle almost any cooking task, this is the one to get. So those were the best Ninja air fryers available right now. If you want something compact and affordable, the smaller basket models are a great choice. If you cook for a family, the dual-zone air fryer offers incredible convenience. And if you want the most powerful and versatile option, the Ninja Smart XL air fry oven is hard to beat. Check the links in the description to see the latest prices and deals on all the air fryers mentioned in this video. And if you enjoy discovering the best kitchen gadgets and home products, make sure to subscribe to Home and Kitchen Finds for more videos like this.